Welcome to the Jembo Precare Platform Industrial Analytics Demo with Software AG. Jembo Precare is an industrial analytics, operational and financial platform. The focus of this demo is enhanced operation effectiveness and how the platform is turning infrastructure factories and machines, with no or limited data, into fully digital, providing important insight analytics. Jembo builds manufacturing operational efficiency enhancement tools, enabling manufacturers, factory owners, original machine manufacturers. By using digital twins, pre-built analytics frameworks, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, we harness the power of big data, data integration, into our customer manufacturing operations. This enabled us to be named in 2019 and 2020 as Top IoT and Industrial IoT Platform by Forbes and Thomas Insights. Jembo Precare is integrated with most of the top machine vendors in the segments we pursue, allowing us to quickly onboard new customers as well as add new machine. Jembo Precare is also the most integrated platform out there of its kind, with end-to-end integrations with Software AG, SAP, Top IoT Platform in Gartner IoT Magic Quadrant, as well as with Informatica, world number 1 enterprise-grade data integration corporation. In many of the factory machines are data islands, making it tough or impossible for true, quality analytics. In this example we are showing typical silicon IC line. As machines are not, or partially communicating, agents must be added, connected to the platform, to collect result, parametric and augmentative data. This is done using a combination of Software AG Cumulicity platform, together with Jembo Precare agents and middleware. This in turn, via secure communication, using multiple transformations, digital twins, and computational framework, is converted into powerful analytics, presented and integrated Cumulicity. Software AG Cumulicity platform then presents the information in a user-friendly interfaces. Analytics is presented at each hierarchical level based on the individual customer's factory or infrastructure. Analytics can then be integrated with rest of the organization easily via Software AG Web Methods platform.
This demo is about Gembio and Software AG joint solution for Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing. Gembio provides operational OE analytics by collecting real-time machine operational data, which helps in gaining insights about critical KPIs such as quality, availability, and performance, which affect overall equipment effectiveness. I will now go ahead and demonstrate the practical solution of this. First, with the help of REST APIs provided by Software AG, GemPrecare starts streaming of the analyzed age data to the Cumulicity platform. Now let's go to the Cumulicity platform to visualize this data. I have created a hierarchy here where, let's say, there is a customer A which has factory called as Acme. Now this factory can have multiple floors. Floors are basically areas where the machines are located. Below it, you see different analytics we have generated. The dials represent the three main factors which affect the overall OE. First is quality, second performance, and third is availability. On the right side, there are key indicators which affect these calculations. So, total failure, total assist sums up to the unplanned downtime. Unplanned downtime affects the overall availability of the machine. Then there are tested units, passed units, and failed units of all the machines. Tested units are the one overall units which are being tested in the given period of time. Then passed are how many units are good, how many were passed during the testing, and how many failed. The passed calculation gives us the overall quality of the machines and performance. Moving forward, there is this alarm list widget which Cumulicity platform provide. Here we can define the threshold of any data point. Here, let's say availability is less than some threshold called like 20, then it will trigger an alarm, and operator will know like it has reached below the set point, and something is gone wrong and he needs to take a look at it. On the right, you see there is a line graph which shows drains by machine. So each machine, here we are representing three machines, how each machine is behaving in terms of total duration in minutes. That's as you can see here. Going below, there is another graph called as drains by category. So each machine collects data which has multiple events. Each event has the status which defines what that event is. Gem Precare platform categorize these events into three main categories: assist, failure, and none. So in this graph, you can see the duration in minutes for each of the category. On the right, these are the statuses which fall under any of these three categories. So you can assume we are drilling down from category to status now, and again we are seeing the data in terms of duration in minutes. That is all about the OEE, overall effectiveness of the equipment. Thank you.